little baby ones. Look at the little baby ones.
Yeah.
Oh, here comes some more.
Oh, you got a straggler.
Oh, she got some little babies.
They got rides.
We all made it! Yay! I think we accounted for all of them. We all made it from the barnyard to the pen. Brian, I've become inseparable with my goat.
Yeah, my goat wins because your goat didn't actually run. You've been holding it in your arms the entire time.
Can I take my goat?
Okay, just sneak it out the back. Hurry. Well, no one's looking. Go, go, go.
Okay, so I'm going to get a brush and I'll show you.
That was super fun.
You'll probably have